Hello everybody, I need to cut the shrubs in front of the house. I have a new tool. Let's go take a look. Here's what showed up. I got the DEWALT 20 volt 22-inch hedge trimmer. It's a DCHT820P1. There's what it looks like. Suppose we ought to take it out of the box and get it charged up. Here's a quick look at the charger, the DCB112. Looks to be new old stock. I went with battery powered because I just have those shrubs right in front of the house. Got tired of using the corded one. I can't really justify buying a gas powered hedge trimmer because as little as I use it, the carburetor would be gummed up every time I wanted to use it. So this is the other alternative. We'll see how it goes. Here's a look at the battery. Looks like it's also from the 2022. There's the pinout. It's a DCB205, 20 volts, 5 amp hours. Cells made in Korea, pack assembled in China. Oh boy. Sure we can expect many years of trouble-free service out of that. Here's the instruction manual. I'll glance through that. And here's a look at the actual unit. 22-inch blade. It's as long as the table here. Fairly lightweight. And a look at the other side. Of course, we've got to have our warning labels. So I guess the next thing we'll do is put this on the charge, and then tomorrow maybe we can, or I don't know, it's supposed to be raining tomorrow, so sometime soon we'll be able to trim the hedge in the front yard. Alright, battery is loaded into the charger and the red light is illuminated, so we'll let that chooch for a little while and see how it goes. I've already done a pre-test on the DEWALT hedge trimmer. Works pretty well. Let's get the entire hedgerow trimmed up. Put it on a time lapse here. Before I do that, let's do a sound test on it. And then I'll do the full time lapse. It's a matter of flipping that little lever up and I did all the hedge trimming. Still have all 3 light bars on the battery. So this thing, I think, is going to do this job just perfectly. I purposely cut through a little deeper on this side because I've got a little one in there that needs a little more sun. So, and I happened to found a C9 bulb right there. How about that? You can see better on this side. That new bush I put in there. It's getting a little sunlight now, so hopefully it'll grow a little better. And then I got to take out these. Don't want those growing there. But that is a look at the DEWALT hedge trimmers, my new ones. Thank you for watching.